Hello sir. I am here from TuFee app. Here we will learn about how to add new exam data to the app. Okay, so we will click on the exam option to add new exam data. The app will show you two options. One is to add a new exam. The second is exams C. Here we want to add new exam data, so we will click on add new exam. After this, app will show you all students lists. You will find add button on top of the screen. When you click on add button, app will ask you to select any batch. Select your batch to add new exam data and click add new exam. Now the app will show you a new page. On top, you will find the exam topic field. Add there your exam topic or subject. Next is the maximum marks off exam and exam date. Fill that fields as you need. Now below that, student list starts. Set students to gain marks and remarks if you want to add. And click on the true icon. When you click on the true icon, app will save that student's data and remove it from the list. If you don't want to add student marks or a student is absent, then click on the cross icon. But for best practices, add 0 marks and add absent in remarks. So this absent entry appears in the student side login. Enter data same as I have explained to you. Now let's check exam data. Go to the dashboard screen and click on the exam option. Then click on exam show. Here you can get your exam data by date. Go to the exam date and the app will create a list of exam data. If you want to modify exam data, then click on the exam you want to edit. And the app will show you single exam data. Make changes and then click save. Also, you can delete exam data here. And you can create a single date exam report by clicking on the top menu. This is all about the exam option in the app. Thank you for watching this video. Good day, good morning, good night. Whenever you are watching this video.